back to DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You're lovely here, and if you're returning, welcome back, fam. So today I will be doing a review on a pair of sneakers that you all know all too well. These are the MAISON MIHARA sneakers. Now these specifically are the new season, so I will be doing a review on the 23 Peterson Soul Canvas sneakers, and the pair that I have are in the gray and white colorway. Just a quick little backstory about the sneaker. And by the way, y'all, my allergies are jacked up, okay? It is that time of the year where the allergies are going crazy. So if you hear me sniffling or whatever, just know I'm just trying to get a deep breath because my nostrils are kind of closed up, all right? So, hey, everything is good. My allergies are just crazy right now. But needless to say, these sneakers have been a huge staple in the fashion world just because of how quick everybody jumped on board with the black and white pair. So just to give you guys a backstory on my journey with owning a pair, as well as what I've been trying to accomplish with buying these sneakers. So I first ordered the green and white pair, which I believe those were the Blakey, or I think it's Blakey, the Blakey Soul Canvas pair. Army green, bought those. They were okay as far as fitting. They were a little big, but not outrageously big. So I kept them, but because I rarely wear them, I lost interest. So they're actually on my Mercari, so y'all go check that out. They're for sale, selling them for $150. So then I went back and I bought the black and white pair, same size, but this shoe, for some odd reason, was extremely huge. I mean, they had to have been every bit of a size 11. So I had to send the black and white pair back, but I tried it out, just did not fit well, okay? So here we are buying a third pair, and as they always say, third time's a charm. So I bought the third pair, which is a size 41, and those fit better. Now at first I was going to purchase the size 40. That would have been too tight on my foot. Probably would have been extremely too small. A part of me kind of feel like I wanted to test it out just to see. But then again, I'm in the headspace of 41 seems to be the range of where I kind of, you know, teeter on as far as European shoe sizes. At least my Balenciagas were a 41. The Valabasta sneakers that I bought and I did a review on some time back were a 41. So 41 seems to be my size, okay? I believe in the past I bought a 42 in other sneakers as far as European sizes, and they fit pretty good. So it's so weird how European sizes are and how they differentiate in different sneakers. It's always different. Sometimes you could buy a Balenciaga in a 41 and then turn around and buy a pair of Alexander McQueen's in a 40 or a pair of MAISON MIHARAs in a 42, and they all fit the same, but it's different sizes, if that makes sense. So yeah, but like I said, I feel like I have found my size, which is a 41 in these sneakers. And I don't know if the hype has kind of died down with the MAISON MIHARAs because I don't see too many people talking about them. I don't see too many people wearing them that much, but I like them, okay? And I'm a fan of MAISON MIHARA. I extremely love their sneakers, specifically the MMY and the Blakey style sneakers. Peterson 23 OG as well, to go ahead and add to that list. And with that, these sneakers emulate a Converse sneaker, but just think of it as the upgraded version. Think of it as the big sister, or think of it as the casual and the designer side of this sneaker. So that's how I look at the sneaker. The sneaker kind of reminds me of Converse. The other ones, not so much. The last two MAISON MIHARA sneakers that I bought, they didn't remind me of Converse's, but this one, this pair that I'm about to do a review on, they actually do. And I think it's because they have the two little circular prongs on the side, the same as the Converse sneaker does. So we're gonna get into the sneaker now. I feel like I rambled enough, gave you guys a quick little backstory, and then gave you guys a little, you know, brief description of the sneaker. But y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And without further ado, let's get into it. Same box, nothing crazy, nothing different, same box. All of my other MAISON MIHARA sneakers came in the same box. So there was nothing different about that. And my other MAISON MIHARAs also came in this sheet as well. So Nothing different there. So this is the sneaker, y'all. So this sneaker, let me go ahead and take this cushion up. These are the two circular spaces that I was talking about earlier in the video, y'all, and that is what gives me that Converse feel. But with the MAISON MIHARAs, it's more so of an upgraded style of a Converse, if that makes sense to y'all. But just a little bit about this sneaker. It does have the chunky sole, as y'all can see, that chunky sole, as well as the chunky shoelaces. So the sneaker is made up of cotton and contrast stitching all around. This is the gray and white colorway. It does have that flat toe cap right here, in which I'm not sure if you guys are planning on going to any construction sites, but just know that your toes will be protected in this sneaker. I already talked about the chunky sole, but I don't know if y'all can see this, but the bottom, as in underneath the shoe, like this part of the sole is a little bit raised, so even the bottom of the shoe has a chunky sole. So just to give y'all that quick little visual, the logo is right here on the bottom of the shoe, as well as on the tongue and on the inside of the shoe. So just some quick little basic things about the sneaker. We're not going to get into it too much just because it's the obvious of what you can see and what I can see with my own two eyes as well. Now, I will say that I have been trying to find a gray and white sneaker for a very long time. I wasn't looking for a Dunk. I wasn't looking for an Adidas. I wanted something just a little bit classier and casual. I want to dress more casual. And I guess the style that I'm going for, maybe the eclectic grandpa style, which I don't have a lot of sweaters, I don't have a lot of cardigans, but needless to say, I would say it kind of would fall in the realm of that style as far as what I'm trying to go for now. When I'm gonna be able to actually switch and transition to that style, I don't know when, because I'm still shopping and still trying to figure it out. But these are a perfect addition to what I'm going for as far as, you know, just transforming my style and transforming the way I dress, y'all. So like I said, gray sneaker, always wanted that, finally found it. I will also put this in the category as an all-purpose shoe because of the color and just the style of the shoe. This is something that I can literally style and wear with anything, in which I will have a video coming up of me styling these probably right after this or days to come, but I am going to style these sneakers. I actually have the outfit laid out right now. These sneakers, I don't know if I said it already, but these sneakers are advertised as the new season. So that was another thing too that drew me to the sneaker. Now, I don't know exactly what the differences are outside of the other MAISON MIHARAs that I bought, except for this thing right here, because usually it'll have like the logo here, you know, so maybe that's the difference. But to me, this sneaker just gives Converse so much, but like I said, elevated Converse, elevated casual Converse sneakers. So casual designer Converse shoe. But like I said, y'all, this was what I was looking for, and I finally got it. Finally figured out my size. We finally came to the conclusion of what size I wear in these type of sneakers, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get off into what these shoes look like on my feet. So y'all sit back, relax, and let's get into it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf.
These bad boys off. And like I said, I am extremely satisfied with my purchase. I'm extremely satisfied with my choice as far as the colorway. So y'all can go ahead and check these out. They have them on Goat, they have them on Farfetched. Those are the two places that I mainly shop at. And so as far as for sneakers, but for sure they have these on there. Now, as far as the green and white sneakers that I have, because like I said, I do have these, well not these, but I have a green and white pair of MAISON MIHARAs. I am selling those on my Mercari, so y'all go check that out. Y'all go check that out. They're going for $150, all right? $150, nothing more, nothing less. So if you are interested, slide over to my Mercari, check those out, look at those photos, and if you're interested, go ahead and buy that. Go ahead and get that on up off of me, because I've been trying to get rid of those, okay? I don't want them, I don't wear them. I should have never even bought that colorway, because honestly, I think it's just the simple fact that I do like green too, and I like to have a little bit of green in my wardrobe as far as sneakers goes, but not those, not those. So y'all go check that out. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video about these sneakers. Like I said, I just wanted to pop in and give y'all the review on these, the new season MAISON MIHARAs. I don't know if the hype has died down about the MAISON MIHARAs, but me personally, I am a fan of them. I just like the brand, you know, the brand is just everything to me. MAISON MIHARA just has some of the most dopest pieces. Unfortunately, I've only been interested though in buying the sneakers, but maybe in the near future, I will buy some other pieces from that brand. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all. Y'all go ahead and drop me a comment and let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all wanna see more of. Let me know how your day is going. Shoot, just drop me a comment, leave me something, say good morning, good afternoon. I don't know what time zone you all are in, but leave me a comment, all right? But y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, that way you stay in the loop whenever I post a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And as always, fam, peace.
This morning got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back, cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride.